Hey mamas, Abby here again. I'm gonna record these all on the same day, so you're gonna see me in the same outfit with the same baby and the same carrier. But anyway, the third hack that I wanted to share with you is how to meal prep without spending an entire day or an entire afternoon meal prepping. There's different kinds of personalities for meal prepping. I am totally one. Meal prepping is not one of my strong suits. So I figured this out and it has helped me a ton. So what I do is when I am in the kitchen making a meal, I try and think ahead of what's coming that week, and I try to make either parts of the next meal while I'm making dinner that night or breakfast that morning. So for example, Sunday mornings we do a pretty full breakfast, and while I'm making the eggs and sausage and greens, I am also making egg bake for the rest of the week. It probably adds about 15 minutes of cook time while I'm in the kitchen, and probably 10 minutes of cleanup time, but I have made breakfast for the entire week while making breakfast on Sunday. Or, for instance, last night we had soup, so it's a one pot dish. So I put the soup together. While I was putting the soup together, I put in some meat in the crock pot for taco bowls that we'll eat tonight. And so I got the meat cooked for tonight's meal last night while I was making dinner. So I try to do as much in the kitchen when I'm in there as I can, so that way I'm not spending all of Sunday afternoon meal prepping. It's just been much more efficient for me, and I really, I don't love cutting out and carving out that much time to meal prep. So if I'm going to be in the kitchen anyway, that is when I try to work in, part of a meal somewhere. And so if I can cut out the meat cooking like I did for tonight, now all I have to do is cook the veggies fresh and the rice is cooked and we're set to go. So that is how I do it. It's been super helpful for me. It's been helpful for quite a few of my clients. The other thing that I tend to do is I will make a huge salad at the beginning of the week in a big bowl in the fridge, and we can pull it out, throw a handful on a plate, top it, and you get a salad for dinner. And so again, another quick and easy, like when you're in the kitchen, you cut up those vegetables and you shove them in the fridge and they're ready for you. So when you're a mom, you don't have a lot of time. So the best thing I have found for myself, and I hope it's helpful for you, is to start to make other meals or parts of other meals while I'm making one meal, to keep it simple and to keep myself out of the kitchen as much as possible. Hope that was helpful, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.